So guys, to download or to update Java, you just want to head over to the Java website. I'm going to leave it down below in the description, or you can just type in Java on any web browser. Make sure that you go to the website that's called https www.java.com. Don't go to some fake website. If you want to be certain that you're on the right website, just head over to the link down below in the description. So now we're just going to go to this website, and now you're going to click on download Java, and then click on download Java again. And now I'm just going to click on the exe file. And if you want, you could change your destination folder. I'm just going to keep it the same, and click on install. Now it's installing. And now we've installed Java. You can close this out. Now, if you already had Java and you wanted to just update it, it's going to say to you, out of date Java version detected. You want to click on uninstall. And then it's going to uninstall Java for you. And then you want to click on next. And then once you click on next, it's going to say that you've successfully installed Java. So basically, it would have just updated it for you. I can't show you right now because I didn't have any previous version of Java. But if you do want to update Java, then again, just click on uninstall when it comes up, and then click on next, and then you should be good to go. It will then install the latest version of Java for you. And now you just want to restart your computer, and that's how you do it.